Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Lemonade link on TikTok. Now step 1 is just open the TikTok application inside your mobile phone and go to the profile on the bottommost section. You can see, go to the profile section, and once you're inside the profile section, so you will see the edit option like this one, edit, or you will see the option called edit profile. You can choose any of the option, doesn't really matter. So just click on edit, and once you click on edit, so you will see the name, the username, the TikTok link, bio, and links. Now inside the links, you can just click on add link, or just the links, and you will see a list of all the links that are available in your region that you can attach to the TikTok account. Now you can see that I have Instagram, I have YouTube. You will see the Lemonade link as well, because Lemonade is not available in my region or country. So that is the reason I'm not able to see it. But if you live in that state or country, you will be able to see the option. Simply choose the option. Let's say I want to use there will be like already linked in, so you can just double click or tap on it, and you will see an option to remove the link. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can remove the Lemonade link on your TikTok account.